In this video, we are going to make a vegetarian Indian dish known as Paneer Bhurji. Paneer Bhurji is just the scrambled paneer which is made using the cottage cheese with a very handful of spices. This is going to be an instant recipe and you will be able to make this Paneer Bhurji in less than 20 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I will begin with 2 red onions. My onions were quite big, so I am using 1.5 onion here. Next comes 2 tomatoes. Next come few cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger. I am also using 2 green chillies here, but these green chillies are optional. Since this is an instant recipe, so I will quickly chop all of my ingredients here. Firstly, I will cut my onions into rough small pieces. Next comes the green chilli. Now I will use a grater for my ginger and garlic. You can also finely chop both of these, or you can also go for the ginger garlic paste. Now my onions, my ginger, my garlic and the green chilies are ready to go. So let's start the cooking process. Here goes the vegetable oil. Guys, this dish is going to be a dry dish and it won't have a curry. So try to use more oil, or you can also use butter just like me. This butter tastes really good with our Paneer Bhurji. So once your butter starts to melt, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now I will add all the chopped ingredients here. We don't have to cook these ingredients for very long time. We just have to cook these for 3 to 4 minutes or until our onions start getting translucent. So while my onions are getting cooked, let's cut our tomatoes. I'm going to roughly chop my tomatoes as well. In around 5 minutes, you can see my onions are changing their color. So this is the right time to introduce the spices. Firstly, I will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Next goes half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is spicy red chili powder, so you can adjust the quantity as per your spice level tolerance. Now let's mix these spices with our onions. So once your spices are well mixed, let's introduce the tomatoes now. We have to mix these tomatoes really well. Here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of white salt. This white salt will speed up the cooking process and it will help with our tomatoes to cook fast. Now we will cover these tomatoes for 5 minutes. So while our tomatoes are getting cooked, let's prepare our paneer. You can use any brand for the paneer here. Here in Canada, there are 3 to 4 known brands and this one is my favorite for the Paneer Bhurji. But if you have any other preference, you can go for it. By the way, let me know which brand of paneer is the best one in terms of taste. Now we have to grate this paneer. I will quickly grate all the paneer here. Let's check our tomatoes now. Our tomatoes are well mashed here, so it's time to add some spices. First goes 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Next goes 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. And guys, this is my secret masala for this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of pav bhaji masala to this recipe. And this masala will take your Paneer Bhurji to a whole new level, guys. This will taste really good. Next I will add fenugreek leaves. These are like 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves here. We have to mix all of this well and let our spices cook. Let's add our grated paneer now. I have transferred all of my paneer. So now we have to mix this paneer really well with our masala. You just have to mix this well. So after around 3 to 4 minutes of mixing, you can see my paneer is ready now. Guys, this dish is ready to be consumed at this stage. And the next step I'm going to do here is optional. I'm adding 100 ml of half and half cream here. Guys, the reason I am doing this step is dryness. This Paneer Bhurji feels too dry sometimes. So adding this cream will taste your paneer a bit better. You can also replace your cream with milk. Now you just have to mix all of this really well. And after 2 to 3 minutes of cooking, your paneer is ready. Just to finish this recipe off, I am adding half a teaspoon of garam masala. As you can see, this recipe was very easy and you should try this at home. I'm pretty sure guys, you will love this recipe. The best thing about paneer is it's full of protein and it's really good for your body. Guys, this is a gem recipe for those busy days when you don't have a lot of time. This recipe tastes really good and you should definitely try this at home. You can check out some other recipes on my channel. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.